It's funny how managing money used to require visiting a physical branch, waiting in line, and filling out forms, yet now it can happen quietly in the background while you're sitting on your couch. That shift toward convenience is exactly what the First Direct app represents, offering customers a streamlined way to handle everyday banking without unnecessary complexity. Designed as a mobile extension of First Direct's digital banking services, the app focuses on speed, clarity, and control, which together make financial management feel less like a chore and more like a routine part of daily life. The app allows you to perform a wide range of everyday banking tasks, and this is where functionality blends seamlessly with simplicity. You can transfer money between accounts, send payments to new or existing payees, set up standing orders, and review direct debits, all within a few taps. The transaction history is organized in a clean format, making it easy to track spending patterns and monitor account activity. At the same time, real-time notifications can alert you to payments, deposits, or unusual activity, bridging awareness with immediate action. Another strong feature of the First Direct app is its customer support integration. Instead of searching for contact details, you can securely message the bank or access help sections directly within the app. This reduces friction when resolving issues and reinforces the sense of control users expect from modern banking. Additionally, card management tools allow you to temporarily freeze or unfreeze your debit card, update travel details, or report a lost card, which adds a layer of flexibility that traditional banking once lacked. Security remains central to the experience, with encrypted connections and multi-factor authentication protecting sensitive information. While the app simplifies many processes, it does not compromise on safety, and that balance between ease and protection is what builds user trust over time. However, like any digital platform, consistent updates and strong passwords remain essential habits for users to maintain. And sometimes, managing your finances doesn't need to feel overwhelming or complicated, because with the right tools in your pocket and a few taps on your screen, even something as serious as banking can quietly fit into your day without demanding too much attention before you move on to the next thing. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.